Hello student, welcome to my channel. Myself Rajiv Maurya, and today we are going to discuss about lowest common multiple. In last video we have discussed about greatest common divisor, and also we have discussed many questions that based on HCF, and I hope that you understood everything clearly without any problem. So student, in this video we shall discuss very interesting topic which will be on LCM. So let's see what is the LCM. LCM is generally known as least common multiple. Least common multiple, and in short form it is written as LCM. So what is the LCM? We shall understand the definition of LCM by an example. So first of all, let's see an example. Suppose two number is given. The first is 15 and other is 20. Now the next, write down some factor of 15. So we get the factor of 15 as 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135 and so on. फैक्टर लिखने का मतलब है कि आप उसके टेबल को लिखिए, जहां तक टेबल लिख सकते हैं लिखिए। हमने मैक्सिमम 9 तक लिखा है, आप चाहो तो उसको जितना आगे एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं कर सकते हैं। ऐसे ही 20 को हम लिख सकते हैं 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160 एंड सो ऑन। आगे भी आप प्रोसीड कर सकते हो। तो यहां पर हमने क्या लिखा, 15 और 20 के कुछ मल्टीपल्स लिखे हैं। अब इन मल्टीपल्स में कॉमन मल्टीपल फाइंड आउट करना है। सो कॉमन मल्टीपल, देखिए कॉमन मल्टीपल इसमें क्या क्या मिलेंगे, तो आप ध्यान से देखो। 60 and 120, so we get the common multiple as 60, 120, 180, 240 and so on. These are the common multiple. Now in the next step we have to find out the lowest multiple from this common multiple. It is so easy to find out. Here we can see that 60 is the lowest common multiple. So what is the lowest common multiple? Lowest common multiple means LCM. So its LCM will be 60. तो यहां पर हमने देखा कि पहले तो हमने इन दोनों का मल्टीपल निकाला, फिर इस मल्टीपल में जो कॉमन मल्टीपल था उस कॉमन मल्टीपल को फाइंड आउट किया, फिर उस कॉमन मल्टीपल में जो सबसे छोटा मल्टीपल था उसको लिख लिया। तो बच्चों यहां पर जो सबसे छोटा मल्टीपल है ना वो 60 है, यानी कि 60 ही वो सबसे छोटा नंबर है जो 15 और 20 दोनों से डिविजिबल है। अगर 60 के अलावा इसमें आप देखेंगे तो कोई ऐसा वो नंबर नहीं है, वो कॉमन नंबर ऐसा इन दोनों में कोई नहीं है जो 15 और 20 से डिवाइड हो, यानी कि 60 ही वो पहला कॉमन और छोटा नंबर है जो दोनों से डिविजिबल है। तो यहां से हम डेफिनेशन में क्या कह सकते हैं कि वह स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर जो 15 और 20 दोनों से डिविजिबल है वही 15 और 20 का लोवेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल है। द स्मॉलेस्ट number which is divisible by 15 and 20 is known as the LCM of 15 and 20. So let us see what is the definition of LCM. Definition, its definition देखिएगा, the smallest number which is divisible by some given number is called LCM, is called lowest common multiple। यहां पर क्या लिखा है, वह छोटी से छोटी संख्या जो कुछ दिए हुए नंबर से डिविजिबल होते हैं, डिविजिबल होता है, उसी को हम क्या कहते हैं, एलसीएम कहते हैं। तो आई होप एलसीएम की डेफिनेशन और एलसीएम एक्चुअली में होता क्या है इसका आइडिया आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा। चलिए हम कुछ क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन देखने से पहले एक प्रॉब्लम ये आती है कि इससे पहले जो अभी हम लोगों ने मेथड देखा, वो मेथड स्मॉल नंबर के लिए होता है, छोटे नंबर के लिए होता है, लेकिन अगर नंबर को लार्ज कर दिया जाए तो फिर उस मेथड से एलसीएम निकालना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है। तो इस कंडीशन में हम क्या करते हैं, इस कंडीशन में हम एक नया मेथड यूज करते हैं और उस मेथड का नाम होता है प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड। देखिए प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड, prime factorization. Suppose that we have some number 72, 96 and 160। तो यहां पर आप ये नंबर देख रहे हैं, ये नंबर लार्ज नंबर है। आपको 72 का टेबल नहीं आता है, आपको 96 का टेबल नहीं आता है, you don't know about the table of 160, so that in the case of such number we cannot find out the LCM using the previous method. In order to find out the LCM of this method, we need the another method, and the method is in front of you, that is the prime factorization. So in the prime factorization, first of all we have to arrange this number in this format, and now we use the prime number to divide them. So first of all we start from 2. So when we divide 20, 72, 96 and 160 by 2, we get 36, 48 and 80. Again divide it by 2, we get 18, 24 and 40. Again all number is divisible by 2, so we get 9, 12 and 20. यहाँ पर देखिए, you will do a common error is that when you will find that there is no all number is divisible by 2, then you skip the divisibility by 2. But no, if you get any one or any two out of these three numbers is not divisible by 2, then you have to continue the divisibility by 2 by leaving these not divisible number as it is, because here 72, 96 and 160 are not with the same number. They are not the digit of single number, they are the different number. We cannot read them 72,96,160. We read as 72, which is the first number, 96 which is second number, and 160 which is the third number. So all these three numbers are separated. Here we continue the divisibility by 2. So we write 9 as it is, 2 6 are 12 and 10 2 are 20. Again divide it by 2, we write 9 as it is, 2 3 are 6 and 2 5 are 10. Now here the all number, there is no any number which is divisible by 2, so we stop the divisibility by 2, and in the next we divide these three number by the next prime number, which is the 3. So here we divide 9 3 5 by 3. So we get 3 3 are 9, 3 1 are 3 and 5 as it is. Again divided by 3, 3 1 are 3, 1 and 5. Now divide it by 1, 1, 1. So here the prime factorization is completed. Now in the next step we have to write down all the prime factor in the product form and we find out the product. So here we write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. Now multiply. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 42, 32 3 the 96 and 96 15 ja 1440. Therefore 1440 is the LCM of 72, 96 and 160. So in this way we can find out the LCM of the large number by prime factorization method. So I hope the prime factorization method is clear to everyone. Now let's see some more question that based on the same method. Okay, so let us see the next. So the next 30, 54, 63. Now divide by prime factorization. We start by 2 because here we can see that 30 and 54 are divisible by 2. So we get 15, 27 and write 63 as it is because 63 is not divisible by 2. In the next we again here we can see that all numbers are not divisible by 3. So we need not to divide it by 2. We divide it by 3. So we get 3 5 ja 15, 3 9 ja 27 and here we get 21 3 ja 63. Again divide it by 3. We write 5 as it is. 3 3 are 9 and 3 7 are 21. Again 5 1 7. Now by 5 1 1 7 and at last 1 1 and 1. Now write all these prime factors in product form. We get 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. Now find the multiple. So we get 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Let me multiply this in another way. Uh, 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9 and 9 5s are 45. So we get 45 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 7 and in the next 270 multiplied by 7 and we get 7 7 are 49, 7 2s are 14 and 14 plus 4 18. So this is the LCM of the given number. So in this way we can find out the LCM. You have to do multiply. अगर आप जानते हो तरीका लगाने का मतलब कि आप कोई ट्रिक जानते हो मल्टीप्लाई का तो आप कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज आप आसानी से मल्टीप्लाई करके भी इसका आंसर आप निकाल सकते हो। यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन किसी भी हिसाब से कर सकते हैं। मेरा जो तरीका था मैं सोचता हूँ कि कम से कम लिखना पड़े ताकि मल्टीप्लाई हो जाए। So I hope student everything is clear to everyone. If you have any doubt then please mention the comment in the comment section. I will clear your doubt in the next video. So we shall meet in the next video with some new question. Till then, goodbye.